The universe presents everything we want. Jungle, sky, or even water. When you get small wave or maybe the big one, all you can do is hope that you can surf over it instead of drown on it. The universe, the unreached, all life for living beings. Nature gives question as well as answer for us. Although many things are hiding and remain a mystery. Nature is a doctor. Nature is a nurse, providing all the medicine for a sick body and those who want to avoid pain. Interact, recognize, and enjoy the beauty of nature, making us aware to protect all the things inside. The universe, the nature, is presents for yourself. So give yourself time to enjoy the life by enjoying the beauty of nature. The universe not only presents beauty, but also hold many mysteries that can cause fear. But for us, fear must be faced with